came from behind and I was scared him, bro. He freaked out. Yeah, 2 coffees. Put it here, please. Where are you from, sir? India or Pakistan?
Bangladesh.
Same thing, different smell. Don't tell me you put curry in the coffee, sir.
No.
Are you a student visa? Or work visa? Don't make me tell immigration. Man, how did you get a job here? You should be in a service station. Now you're moving up these days, huh? You know, if you were Indian, I was gonna sing a song for you. Watch, I'll sing it. Sunday, kera tati, halki prisa tati.
Would you like anything else?
2 sugars, please, sir. Bye-bye. What's wrong, man?
What'd you do that for?
Do what?
How rude was that?
Relax, man. We're just having a laugh. What's wrong with you?
You were very offensive.
What do you mean offensive? Come on, man. I'll prove it to you. He didn't get offended. Hey, cricket boy, come here, man. Did you get offended?
Oh no, that was
I
okay.
told you, man. Relax. He didn't get offended.
Brother, did you get offended?
Actually, that was a bit offensive.
I told you he was insulted.
I thought I was having a laugh.
It's one thing to laugh, but it's another thing to laugh at someone else's expense. You should know better than that. Allah says in the Quran, do not insult one another and don't call each other by insulting nicknames. And that's exactly what you did.
Shouldn't have better, man.
The Prophet of Allah never, once in his life, did he ever mock or make fun of anyone.
I'm gonna go say sorry to him, man.
Yeah, I think you should.